Parts of northeast China, including the city of Harbin, are under a red alert due to heavy smog. It's so bad people in downtown Harbin couldn't even see 50 meters in front of them. Schools were closed and some people are being told to walk rather than take the bus. And the thing is, the smog is expected to get worse. Now, if you'd like more details on this top story, to see more images of it, just head to our website, theweathernetwork.com, and you can just locate it under our top news stories. Also, we have updates on other things like Hurricane Raymond, as well as a snowfall warning in northern Ontario. You know what, Gary, we were talking about this earlier. I know it looks like it was quite windy, but I didn't feel like it was wind warning criteria, which it wasn't. It didn't feel that bad to me, but the winds did clock in at 46 kilometers an hour for Toronto, close to 60 for St. Catharines. Now, this is the rainfall that we're seeing into Wednesday morning. So rain is going to start to move in, and it's under 10 millimeters across the board. So not too bad, but a little bit inconvenient, I suppose. We'll take you to a nice shot of Weyburn, Saskatchewan, Gary. And this is a beautiful orange picture of the sun. We are, Gary. We're seeing the blue on the radar, so we have to get used to this color. That's the snow. So passing through areas south of Yorkton, inching towards Brandon, scattered flurries, which will continue through the overnight and through the Interlake region of Manitoba. And then into Tuesday, we've got a rain-snow mix in the forecast for Saskatchewan because we are well below seasonal. We'll take you here next. The fog, Gary, which has been the sort of marine layer fog that we've been seeing in the West Coast each and every day this week. Yes, and for tomorrow, we could see some fog in the early morning hours for Vancouver, Abbotsford, Burnaby. But once again, by the afternoon, we get some clear conditions, some sunshine, and temperatures sitting around 15 degrees for the city of Vancouver. Hot, dry, windy weather is driving dozens of fierce bushfires across the Blue Mountains in Australia. Coming up, the number of homes destroyed and what may lie ahead.
Twn Nk.
You know what, Gary? I'm just not ready to see this snow yet. I'm not ready to see this video, and if you don't want to hear about winter, then close your eyes. But if you're in the prairie provinces, you are going to definitely have to see snow, rain snow mix potentially in all these areas we've marked in pink to Wednesday, because temperatures are below seasonal by at least 10 degrees in some cases, and we're seeing snow in northwestern Ontario. In fact, there's a snowfall warning around Geraldton where we're seeing up to an additional 10 centimeters through tomorrow. Now, this is what's causing all the problems, this boundary and then the cool down in temperatures with the dip in the jet stream. So that shoots through for Tuesday. Alberta staying nice and relatively dry. Edmonton has a slight chance of showers on Tuesday. For Calgary, you have a chance of showers for your Wednesday morning. And here's the snow that we're seeing pulling in through parts of northwestern Ontario that I mentioned. And here's a good look at what's going on there. Gary, snow and bike riding, I don't know if they mix.
Yeah.
Definitely. And as we look to northwestern Ontario through to Wednesday, this is how much you could be shoveling through the region. So 2 to 5 centimeters just north of Thunder Bay. Geraldton getting the most. And this is on top of what we've already seen. So in total, Geraldton, we could be close to about 15 centimeters for you. We take a look at what's going on here. This front is moving out of southern Ontario, so the rain showers clearing out for your Tuesday, making way for cooler temperatures. Tuesday's going to feel a lot colder than Monday. Monday in Toronto, for example, was about 15 degrees. Tomorrow, it's going to be a single-digit high, close to about 9. This is the rain into Wednesday morning. Not too much more to go. Coming up, we're going to take a look at your forecast across Western Canada, and we'll tell you which city is going to see fog again tomorrow morning.
This weather section